na yung remote. Wait lang ha. Gana, hanap-hanap na rin. Saan naman yun? Tutuhanin ang lahat. Kung hindi mo mahal. At hindi lang kahit sandali hayaan ang puso na at sa bawat sandali. Saan na ba yun, Nay? Gusto ko lang manood ng TV. Wala pa yung remote, guys. Hi, Tommy. I love your beautiful. Thank you so much. What's that? Is it, I cannot, translate. I don't understand, guys. There's no translation here. What you guys talking? Is it Espanol? And I have energy drink and chips. Sponsored by the girlfriend of my brother. Yeah. We have free food from them. Thank you so much. Chips, my favorite chips. This is my favorite chips. It's Piatos. Let's go. I have my AirPods here and then I'm gonna watch TV while I'm gonna eat, guys. I did not eat yet. I did not eat dinner yet and it's 10:40 p.m. It's late. It's my late dinner because I make my son sleep because he is having tantrums. May topak siya. Bahala kayo dyan, hindi kayo makaintindi. Ako na pet shop ko. Sriracha. Anghang. Okay. I have sriracha and then ketchup. Let's combine it together and then mix. So good. And then I'm gonna try to use this. Is it working? Really love you think it's right. Where is it? I'm just happy. I'm gonna eat. This is the leftover of my son. Yum. You see, it's a leftover of my son. There's no skin on the chicken.